So I've started steaming veggies and mushrooms. So these are the veggies and mushrooms for the day. And I think I realized that steaming the veggies has a little more taste to it than boiling them. So this has kind of become a routine, thanks to glucose goddess protocol, that you start any meal with a lot of veggies. I think yesterday I got a tip from one of my doctor friends, and she said it's good to have oil sorted in it because the vitamins get absorbed better if there is oil in it. So I was not a fan of frying the oil, but and heating the oil with veggies is a good idea, it seems. So let's see, updating your mental model, upgrading your mental model step by step. Okay.